I'd love to act with Kajol whenever I get the opportunity. लेकिन मैं बहुत सालों से ऐसा कह रहा हूँ कि एक्टर लोग जो हैं, एटलीस्ट मैं किसी को कास्ट नहीं करता हूँ. जब कोई डायरेक्टर होंगे, प्रोड्यूसर होंगे, चाहेंगे कि हम कोई फिल्म करें, तो हमें बहुत खुशी होगी, दोनों को बहुत खुशी होगी. हम बहुत करीबी दोस्त हैं, बहुत सालों से साथ में काम किया है. वी ओनली विश ईच अदर द बेस्ट एंड आई थिंक वी वर्क वेरी वेल टुगेदर. जब मौका मिलेगा बहुत खुशी होगी और ज़रूर करेंगे.
Quite excited actually because and I'm a bit surprised because Lutera has been nominated in the Best Actress and Best Costume, but not for Best Director and not for Best Film. So I'm a bit, I don't know, thinking little brown right now. I hope we win, and if I do, I would like to take the award back on behalf of my entire team.
I hope I win something. I don't know which film it will be, but it'll be interesting. Like I said, and I also think that all the other nominees are very, very deserving, especially in the jury category. So.
Well, I think the theme is heroes, and I'm doing a tribute to my childhood hero, Govinda ji. It's a very, very big deal for me, the fact that I'm actually sharing screen space with him this year. I've shot with him for my next film, Kill Dil, that's going to come after Gunde. And it's a really, really special thing for me to be cast in a film with him. So today I'm doing a tribute to him, my hero, Govinda ji, and it's going to be very exciting. I'm very excited about performing.
I think Screen is a fantastic award function. It's the first award function of the year. तो काफ़ी सारे butterflies और adrenaline होता है. I'm performing here tonight. तो मैं अभी अपनी टीम से ही डिस्कस कर रहा था कि I've been dancing for 10 years. लेकिन जब भी आप live perform करते हैं, it feels like you're going on stage for the first time. So I'm a little nervous but excited because I really like the songs that I'm doing this year. I'm excited to perform them live. There's songs from R. Rajkumar, songs from Fatah Poster. So yeah, I'm excited and nervous.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. I think हम जब अवार्ड फंक्शन पे जाते हैं कितने सालों से, तो हम या तो हम नॉमिनेट होते हैं या हमारे दोस्त नॉमिनेट होते हैं. लेकिन I think this is something that my mother it feels really, really nice that she was nominated this time and she won. That was the best part.
ये साल का मतलब सबसे पहला जो एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर अवार्ड है वो दिया जा रहा है, तो I'm very happy to be here supporting both my films, फुकरे as well as भाग मिल्खा.
Well, I'll just say बहुत ही special शाम है, and I'm glad first award of the season, and I'm very excited to be here. I'm very excited to be nominated. So yeah.
स्क्रीन अवार्ड का हिस्सा रही हूँ इतने सालों से. आई रियली थिंक दीज आर वेरी क्रेडिबल अवार्ड्स. परफॉर्म किया है कई बार, अवार्ड मिला है कई बार, और हमेशा अवार्ड्स हमेशा एंटरटेनिंग रहे हैं. So yeah, looking forward to a wonderful evening.
We had Jawani Diwani, which was possibly
great,
for you it's been great.
For us, come on.
For us. So I think it's been Dharma Productions' biggest money spinner, at least in the zone of box office that we get numbers. So yeah, we are eternally grateful to Ayan and his film.
I'm nominated, which is a big honor. थोड़े सालों के बाद नॉमिनेशन मिला है, तो उस नॉमिनेशन से ही काफ़ी खुश हूँ मैं क्रिश 3 के लिए. सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, लेट्स सी.
आप यहाँ आते हो अपने काम को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, so it's really good that Screen happens every year, and we're happy to celebrate the success of our colleagues.
I'm very excited. I have a nomination in the Best Female category. I'm very happy for that. So I'm looking forward to the awards.
Yeah, this year has been really special. Got some good releases, and of course signed for Happy New Year also. Been shooting for the film and it's entertainment. I just finished it. So yeah, it's been an important year, and like I said, still miles to go, but yeah, the journey's on.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन वार्म अप होता है towards the entire award ceremony, जैसे आपने कहा, और मेरे हिसाब से it sets the ball rolling. It pretty much gets the predictions in place for the rest of the awards, and after that most of the awards are pretty much something that you can predict. But the fun about Screen Awards is it's light, it's casual, it's always in great weather, and the most important thing is क्योंकि ये पहला award show होता है of the season, everybody's always second guessing किसको मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, and that's the exciting part.
Screen हमेशा ही special रहा है. I won some of my first award from here, and so it's always really, really special to come here. बहुत अच्छी टीम है Screen की, और हमेशा उनको भी I like to come and encourage them and wish them and be there for them. Priyanka is a good friend also, so